lesson of the day is about crafting a clear, concise, and value-driven message about what your startup does. I talk to a lot of entrepreneurs who can explain what their startup does and actually make me feel a little bit interested. So I always recommend that startups be able to fill in the blank to this sentence. My startup is blank. It seems very simple, but in the end, entrepreneurs tend to babble on and on and on about what they're doing, and by the end of it all, you have no idea exactly what's going on. So be able to answer this question. We'll take a look at some really great examples as well as a super bad example. Before we get started though, 2 tips for you. 1, cut out the jargon. If your grandmother doesn't understand the word, don't use it. Secondly, use this sentence everywhere. There's nothing worse than having about 20 or 30 different sentences to explain your startup. Pick one and go with it. Put it on your website, send it out in your pitches, tell everybody when you're in the elevator or when you're eating lunch or wherever you are. Use the same exact sentence. Get people to understand what you're doing with just one thing. The first example is Skillshare. Their pitch is, Skillshare is a community marketplace to learn anything from anyone. Super clear, you understand right away, anyone can teach, anyone can learn. Here are 2 more examples. First one, Airbnb. Airbnb is a trusted community marketplace for people to list, discover, and book unique spaces around the world, online or from an iPhone. Again, super simple, and I understand right away what they're doing. Next one, from Lot 18. Lot 18 is a membership by invitation website for wine and Epicurean products from coveted producers at attractive discounts. So we understand, once again, they're selling wines at low prices. Who doesn't love that? Now let's take a look at one of the worst pitches I've ever received. Let's read. Companies are now adopting the same level of attention to data-driven design, optimization, engagement, and monetization that their social game counterparts are. And many of them are winning big. Company X, a user analytics firm based in San Francisco, helps them to do so. Would you be interested in learning more? No, I would not be interested. This is one of the most jargon-ridden pitches I've discovered in my inbox, so I'm not interested. In fact, I'm just plain tired. I don't want to read anymore. I just want to delete it right away. Make sure you don't get yourself in this category. Try to, once again, cut out any jargon. Monetization, data-driven design, what is that? Nobody knows what you're talking about. Cut it down. Just answer this simple question, my startup is a blank. There's actually an even better formula for helping you craft your one-sentence pitch, which was created by the Founder Institute. Let's take a look. My company, insert company name, is developing a defined offering to help a target audience solve a problem with secret sauce. For all of these blanks, you basically need to fill in what exactly you're doing. Let's take a look at a pitch that was created by Flat Club. My company, Flat Club, is developing an online marketplace to help students and alumni of top universities find short-term accommodation by leveraging existing social networks to create trust. Flat Club actually won the Founder Institute's most recent pitch contest with this one-sentence pitch. I recommend, after you watch this lesson, take 5 to 10 minutes, create your very own one-sentence pitch, and use it everywhere. You'll find that you're a little clearer on what you're doing, and when you get in front of a journalist or anyone else who's trying to understand your company, you'll have a very clear message to deliver.